couple of ways to add your own voice or video of yourself into your video that you're creating. First, you're going to log in and click on My Media. And when you're in here, let's talk about recording first. So with recording, you have some options. You can either use the webcam that's built into your computer. You can use a screencast, which this is a screencast. I'm recording just what's on my screen. Or you can use both the webcam and the screen. Note that the webcam is going to record you. You will be in the image. You'll select the one you like. You'll click OK. It'll ask you to use which microphone. You'll select. The biggest thing with this one is you can really choose which screen you want to record. So if you want to get down to a certain tab you have open, you can choose the application window or exact Chrome tab, or you can choose the entire screen. You just select it and then click share and you'll have a countdown for that. The other way that you can record is your voice. And if you go back to My Media and you click on narrate, to do a voiceover, you would select the microphone. It will count down and it's recording my voice right now. So I'm letting it speak a little bit, let it run. When you're done, click stop. And then you can preview it here if you like and listen to it. If you don't like it, you can redo it. But if you do like it, you can click the green check and that will take your voice recording and save it in media. So we'll go ahead and drop it. Actually, it drops it right into your project, which if I scroll down here, you'll be able to see it. There's my voice recording I just did. I have a lot of voice recordings up here, but I see that it's this first one at the top right there. So you can have it up stored in your media, but it's also down in your project. If you want to get that out of your project, just select it and hit delete.